In this video, we're going to talk about how you can play Netflix games on your TV. Now, before we start, not all televisions will be compatible with playing Netflix games, but you can check and see if yours is. The first thing that you need to do is find the Netflix app here, and we will just click on the Netflix app itself. Once you open up the app, then here at the top, you should see your profile icon, the home screen, shows, movies, and if your TV supports it, it should appear here at the top and it should say games. Once you see the option for games, it's not supported for me, that's why it's not showing up. But once you see the option for games and you click on it, you will then have to scan a QR code with your phone. And once you scan the QR code with your phone, you can use it as a controller to play Netflix games on your TV. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.